Guys, since patience is a virtue, but I had this battery laying around, I decided to do this. And this, my friends, is very dangerous, so don't try this at home. Just allow the professional dummies like myself to do it. Because if you put these together, you could start a fire. And so don't do this unless you know what you're doing. Okay, so, yeah, there's so many of those don't try this at home, kids, moments. And so, black with black and red with red. And let's twist these so hopefully don't completely mess up the wires. There we go. But I just want to see if this runs. I've got my remote. Turn it on first. It's not as green as I'd like it to be. It's on yellow or orange. But let's see what happens. It seems to have turned on. I'm not getting any left and right. So maybe it needs to be rebound or something like that. Because this is not really doing anything. Although it does have a light on. Whoa, what's going on? It feels like it's going in and out of, so should have some. All right, so we do have some motors turning a little bit. Okay, so that's one problem right there. This came off. So forward and back, I'm not getting any power there. Left and right, I'm not getting any power there. So is the battery discharged already for some reason? I won't know. Let me go try getting another battery and we will try it out again. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see if that does any better than what we have currently going on.